Okay, I'm driving in my car, as you can see, and I just had something I had to get off my mind. So I'm sitting here thinking about the different posts that I've put out to all of you, and I'm talking about how you can control your mind or how you can have better results in sales by controlling what you're thinking. Some people call it mindset. So having a better mindset or a positive mental attitude. Other people use the word manifestation. I used to not like that word, manifestation, because I felt like it was like magic, or the old snake oil sales type thing, right? It's, if I believe this thing, it will happen. I can sit on my couch eating cheesies and I will think of something and magically it will appear. Well, if that's what you think manifestation is, you're wrong. That's not what it is. But let's throw away that word for a minute. Let's use mindset. So how many of you in sales believe that mindset is something that if you work on it, you'll be more successful in sales? I do. So I've worked with so many, like thousands of salespeople over the last 27 years. They either worked for me, they were selling against me, they were on other sales teams, and no matter what the situation, I have such high empathy scores, almost like ESP, where I can just sense people's emotions. I can see someone's face, and I can almost tell what they're thinking. Not like magic or any stupid thing like that, but I can just by facial expressions, I can tell whether or not you believe in what I'm saying, just by the way you're sitting, by the way you're acting, by the way you're breathing, all these different things. So why am I telling you all this? I'm telling you all this because even the most confident salespeople have these mindset issues. And you're probably one of them listening to this right now. You're probably a very confident to the outside world seller. You show up highly confident, maybe even overconfident, if I can use that expression. But inside, in your mind, you've got doubts. You have that imposter, I can't think of the words, imposter syndrome. You've got that imposter syndrome. You feel like, oh, I'm fooling this person. So anyway, as you're thinking these things in your mind, but you're acting really confident, there's a disconnect between what your brain is actually thinking and how you're actually acting. And it comes across extremely phony, and pretty much everyone these days can read it like a book. That is affecting your sales success more than anything else. So, my advice is stop doing that. Identify what are these thoughts that you have that don't serve your success as a seller or an entrepreneur. Replace those thoughts with something more positive. For example, you may think, I'm going into this call, and those competitors, we always lose against them. I don't know how we're going to beat them. Their prices are always better. They seem to have better customer satisfaction, better references. And so you're filling your mind full of all these reasons why they're going to win. You need to fill your mind with all the reasons why you're going to win. Just because those standard reasons why customers buy seem to be better in your eyes with your competitor, it matters what your customer thinks. And you have an opportunity to differentiate between that competitor and how the customer you're trying to sell to experiences you and your company. You have so much power, and you're just showing up and sort of falling into a trap of sounding and acting just like your competitor. So if you compete with your competitors on the same things that you're worried about, you're going to lose. You might as well walk away from that sales cycle. So listen up. if you're having these thoughts or any thoughts that don't serve you as a seller, replace them with something positive, something the opposite of what you're thinking, and go after that opportunity full force. I hope that helps.